أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم প্রাণপ্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাই বোনেরা মুসলমান ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাইদের প্রতি সালাম আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ এবং হিন্দু ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাইদের প্রতি ভাই ও বোনদের প্রতি আদাব। আশা করি তোমরা ভালো আছো, সুস্থ আছো, সুন্দর আছো। আজকে অনলাইন ক্লাসের শুরুতেই তোমাদেরকে সুস্বাগতম। আমি মোহাম্মদ ওয়াহিদুর রহমান, লেকচারার ইন ইংলিশ, পাগলাপীর স্কুল ও কলেজ, রংপুর। তোমাদেরকে ওয়েলকাম জানাচ্ছি আমার অনলাইন ক্লাসের লেকচার 2-তে। In my last lecture, I delivered before you some important feature and opening lecture. I have also drawn your attention to some important aspects. That was the some skills in learning English, reading skill, writing skill, speaking skill and listening skill. At the same time, I have lectured before you some other important point. Today, I would like to draw your attention on my lecture 2, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Today, I will discuss before you the historical speech. You know, some important person there are in our history, in our society, in our country, and Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the very important and special one who delivered the important speech, historical speech during the historical year 1971, and that speech was very historical in different corners, for different aspects. Our today's lesson hints or indirect and directly give us some important point why he has given this, why he has drawn our attention to this, and what happened in that period and what was the background of that time. Dear student, at the very beginning you have to participate in the lecture with your textbook. First of all, you have to open it and find out the Unit 1, Lesson 1, so that you can read and understand the speech. You know, our textbook is very important to know what had happened and what has been prescribed for you as your syllabus. Our textbook at the same time refers what should we do. In our textbook, we have different aspects of different passages. These passages we will set up in our examination. These passages are very, very important. If we read and realize the passage, it would be very easy on our part to memorize, to understand, to realize the fact what has been already described in the text. So, it is your duty to read the text and realize the text. Before going the text or before reading the text, you have to have some point, have some important facts that are you have to have your diary for noting important new words. You have to given your attention. You have to have the textbook at the same time. Then we will go through the text and try to realize. As for example, I am going through the text before you for your better understanding. My dear brothers, I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. You are fully aware of the events that are going on and understand their importance. We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation, and yet, unfortunately, the states of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, and Rangpur are awash with the blood of our brothers and sisters. The people of Bengal now want to be free. The people of Bengal now want to live. The people of the Bengal now want their rights. This is the very first small para. In this para, the writer, the speaker here, the founder of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, described for you that he has drawn our attention to some important fact. That is, his heart is overflowing with grief because the people of Bengal are being killed. The people of Bengal are being shot. The people of Bengal are being tortured in that night by the tyrannical armed forces, Pakistani Bahini, Pakistani soldiers, and they are torturing our people, and as a result, the state of Rangpur, Rajshahi, Khulna, Dhaka are being awashed with the very blood of our people. And he has drawn our attention to this. And through this passage, we can realize that what happened there. They tried to carve us, and they thought that if we are killed, if we are tortured, if we are bloody, then their struggle will be successful. But finally, what can we see? Finally, they have been defeated. Later passage will show you. Now, here the rights of the people, the right of our Bengali people has been carved, has been shattered by the torture of the then ruler of Pakistan. That's why he has drawn our attention in this passage in such a way. Dear student, in this passage there are some important words that to be noted for you. Here, overflow, overflow. Overflow, we'll see. Overflow is a word that it happens during the liquid substance, that is water, oil, blood, etc. This word has been here used for overflowing the blood. The excess of blood, when are shed, it flows. And it has been also hinted here that the blood of our people was very excess. They were shot, they were killed simultaneously and gradually. As a result, their blood was overflowing, and as a result, the road of the Bangladesh, the road of different cities, the road of Dhaka, Chittagong, Rajshahi, etc., were awashed with the blood of our people. Overflow, overflow হওয়া, প্রবাহিত হওয়া, প্রবাহিত হওয়া. That's why the word প্রবাহিত হওয়া, প্রবাহিত হওয়া, overflow. Another important word, here, awash. 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 Awash means to be washed. To be washed. धुल तो हवा. धुल तो हवा. Awashed. Another important word, in this passage, award. Award. AWARE. Award. To be conscious. Conscious. সচেতন. সচেতন. Conscious. সচেতন. And unfortunately, unluckily, in such a way, you will read the text, you will find out the important and difficult word, you will note down the important and difficult word. At the same time, you will try to understand it with the meaning, and at the same time, you will try to pronounce the very word very accurately or correctly. Overall, you have to try to understand what has been hinted or what has been given or what message has been given in this para or in this lesson. This is what I have tried my best level to make you understand. Now, let's proceed on. Another second para. What we have done that was wrong after the election. After the election. After the elections, the people of Bangladesh voted as one for me for the Awami League. We were to sit in the National Assembly, draft a constitution for ourselves there, and build our country. The people of this land would thereby get economic, political, and cultural freedom. But it is with great regret that I have to report to you today that we have passed through 23 tragic years. Bangali's history of those years is full of stories of torture inflicted on our people of their blood. We shed our blood in 1952, even though we were the victors in the election. Another line, the torture inflicted on our people of blood shed by them repeatedly. 23 years of a history of men and women in agony. This is the second para. Second para of this lesson. Here, the writer has described what we should do and what he has messaged before us. The torture of history has been also hinted here. The freedom for what we fought against Pakistan. We didn't have freedom of our speech, freedom of our culture, freedom of our economic, freedom of our society, freedom of our speaking. We all are lack of such types of freedom. Dear student, here the writer also hinted before you that For such freedom, for lack of freedom, we are suffering greatly, and the people, especially with the authority of the under the leadership of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he told them to vote. He told them, we are ready to go to assembly and we want to have our constitution. All these things all together hinted that he was a man of very liberal mentality, and he proposed before them that we are ready, come here and help us so that we all can continue, so that we all can together govern this area, this country. When a man is very free, when a man is very sincere, cordial, when a man has the love for the people of the country, he can say so. And that same thing had happened in the history of the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In this passage, it is hinted here, it is clear after going through the text. Here are also some important words. Let me write down before you now for a short time. Dear students, regret, an important word, regret. উচ্চারণটা হচ্ছে regret. R-E-G-R-E-T, regret. পরিতাপের বিষয়, regret. পরিতাপের বিষয়, regret. Torture, you know, torture. Torture. নির্যাতন, অত্যাচার। নির্যাতন। মূলত এখানে ফিজিক্যাল টর্চার, শারীরিক নির্যাতনকে বেশি বোঝানো হয়েছে। টর্চার। ইনফ্লিক্ট করা। ইনফ্লিক্ট উচ্চারণ। ইনফ্লিক্ট। ইনফ্লিক্ট। বিদ্ধ করা। বিদ্ধ করা, ইনফ্লিক্ট করা। In such a way, there are different important words that are to be noted for your better information to understand the passage. Dear student, this is how we will continue our study going through the text. And in the next lecture, I will try to make you understand the another lesson. Your home task is the first lesson of first unit, the historical speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. You will go through it, you will try to understand it. Before, you will try to pronounce the important word, you will try to note down the important difficult word, and you will try to understand the word with its meaning. Overall, you will try your best level to understand what has been given or what message has been provided in this lecture or in this lesson. As a result, you will be successful by going through the text, or after reading the text, you will try to understand the meaning of the passage. As a result, you will be a successful one. I wish you better success till my next class. আগামী ক্লাস পর্যন্ত আমি তোমাদের সফলতা কামনা করছি, এবং আজকের যে হোম টাস্ক দিলাম, এই হোম টাস্কগুলো তোমরা পরে ক্লাসে করবা, বাসায় করবা, বইয়ের সঙ্গে থাকবা, পড়ার সঙ্গে থাকবা, ইংরেজির সঙ্গে থাকবা, এবং নিজের ক্যারিয়ারকে ডেভেলপ করার জন্য এখন থেকে তোমরা পড়াশোনা করবা রুটিন অনুযায়ী বাসায় বসে। এই সুযোগটা তোমরা নিবা। হোম টাস্কগুলো নিজেই ভালোভাবে পড়ার চেষ্টা করবা, নিজেই নিজের গাইড হওয়ার চেষ্টা করবা। এই কথাগুলো তোমাদের কল্যাণার্থে বলে, তোমাদের কল্যাণ কামনা করে, সুস্বাস্থ্য কামনা করে, অনলাইন ক্লাসে তোমাদেরকে আগামী অনলাইন ক্লাসে আবার ইনভাইট করে শেষ করছি আমার আজকের লেকচার। থ্যাংক ইউ অল, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। খুদা হাফিজ।